Good morning, dolls, and welcome to Little Gretchen's Workshop. So today I have a wonderful unboxing of lovely letters, cards, and packages. And this first package that I'm opening comes from my precious doll, Renee B. Now look at this, dolls. Isn't this beautiful? Now Renee does this wonderful mail art, and she made this card just for me to celebrate me getting over 10,000 subscribers. And if you look really closely, you can see all the little hash marks in tiny increments of 5. Renee, you are so kind and so thoughtful and absolutely creative. Now, Renee normally says something amusingly comical, but this time she wrote some things that really touched my heart in a different way. You know, Renee, just reading this card, you always make me laugh because you have this really cool sense of humor, but today this card is making me cry. I really appreciate you so much for all your kind words of support and for being such a precious doll. Oh my goodness, Renee, these are pictures of your work. Oh my goodness, look at that chair. That is truly a lovely piece, and I love the upholstery. You did such a nice, neat job. And I'm reflecting on that disaster of upholstery job that I did last year. This just really touches me to see the work that you dolls are doing, and that if I played any part in inspiring you and encouraging you to make such beautiful things, this just means so much to me. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited and proud of your work, Renee. Thank you so much for sharing. And I totally, totally love this card. I got so tickled when I realized her hair was textured. Now, dolls, this next package comes from my precious doll, Vivian L. And I got so excited and tickled when I realized it was some tiny print fabric. And the fact that it's all cotton truly made my day. Cottons are just so perfect for making doll clothes, curtains, and bedspreads and things for the dollhouse. And these tiny prints are perfect. Now, this navy blue is really nice because it kind of reminds me of the print that's on Aunt Bess's dress, but I love navy blues. But this one, I love it so much because it kind of reminds me of like placemats. Each little square would be a different place setting. Yes, I think I'm going to have to set this aside and try that. But dolls, look at this one with the little chickens on it. That is so cute. That would be really pretty as some curtains. It also makes me think about the Josephine doll house over at Tiny Keyhole Minis. Each chicken could be wall art or even a tablecloth. Okay, let me relax about the chickens. Let me show you what else was in this package. Now look at this. You always know when you see a tiny container like this, it's something fun inside. And it's some tiny toilet paper. Now you can never have too much of that, even in a dollhouse. Thank you so much, Vivian. These are precious. Now this feels like something sandwiched between it. It says for your kitchen if you like. So I can't wait to see what's inside. Let me be careful. Just trim it open. Oh! Vivian, this is absolutely precious. This is just too much. Now, Vivian, I don't even believe in pests in my miniature world, but I love these fly swatters. And I'm so touched and delighted by such a precious gift. Vivian, I'm reading your card, and you mentioned that the ideas were not your own, but it doesn't matter if the ideas were your own or not. You were inspired and you made them by hand, and the fact that you thought enough of me to send me some really means a lot. I was raised and taught that nobody has to give you anything, so for you to think of me and share means everything to me. Thank you. So, dolls, my next package comes from my precious doll, Latanya E. Latanya sent me a lovely email prior to sending the package, and she sent me a lovely letter to explain the contents. And thank you so much for sending me this bed, Latanya. I appreciate the fact that you have confidence that I can make it work. I'm truly thrilled and excited about all the possibilities. And I really appreciate it too, because with all the dolls in the community, you can never have too many beds. Oh my goodness, Latanya. Oh, wow. And dolls, the part about it, she told me what was in the package, but when you see everything, it's just amusing. Okay, let me just take everything apart carefully. Now, from what I understand, this is the original mattress or the original foam from the mattress for the bed. I'm just so tickled that she has it labeled. Oh my goodness, wait, she said there were dolls, but Oh, how precious. Look at her. Look at her dolls. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is just wonderful. Oh my goodness. I'm always looking for dolls, and this couldn't have come at a better time. Thank you, Latanya. And she told me there were two, but to really see them both, it's so exciting because I can't wait to add hair and clothes and accessories, and I just love the expression on their faces. Okay, let me calm down and open the other things. Now this is a sponge. She said I could use it as a mattress or in my kitchen. Well, Latanya, I'm going to take you up on that because I could use a new sponge in my kitchen, but I definitely have plenty of foam for the mattress. And here's some more cotton fabric. These ladies must be seamstresses too because she sent them with sewing machines. Dolls, I have to tell you, I am so amused about the beds. So she sent me the one bed that needs to be reassembled, but this one is already assembled with a canopy and everything. It's absolutely lovely. I really do love the style of the bed and the tones of the wood. It's just a really lovely, lovely piece. I'm trying to decide whether I'm going to give this to one of the guests of the rooming house or maybe I should give this to Pop and Miss Betty to have in their new house after the wedding. Okay, let me not get too fixated on the beds and focus on getting the rest of the items out of the box. Okay, this is so funny. As soon as I saw this bag with the little remnant parts in it, I got excited. I think because I'm so used to working with scraps and remnants, to me, I always see it as the opportunity for more possibilities because the original design no longer exists. Oh, wow, it's several more pieces of wood. I can't wait to sit down and sort everything out. The way this is looking, it may be enough to repair two beds, so I'll have a total of three. Wow. And look at all these lovely trims. What a wonderful bundle in neutral and gold tones. I see some of them even have fringe on them, which is great for rugs, but I can use it for draperies and bedspreads and other types of linen. Thank you so much, Latanya. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's the super tiny thin satin ribbon. I can never have too much of that with all the dolls to dress. But look at this. This is the original mattress cover. Oh my goodness. That looks good, Latanya. You did a great job cleaning it up. Oh yes, I see them. These are the little headscarves she mentioned in her letter. And there's an apron included. Yeah, I'll make use of all of it. I am just too tickled, and she included an additional piece of foam for another mattress. Latanya, you absolutely covered all the bases. And she sent me a hard copy of the letter that was attached to the email she sent me. And I love this sticker that says, "Do more of what makes you happy." And dolls, at the top of this letter is a picture of another doll she owns. This is such a precious and encouraging letter. And Latanya, I just appreciate you for thinking of me and sending me these lovely beds, all the trims and supplies and everything, and the two lovely little dolls. This gift has truly been memorable. Thank you. Now, this next gift package is from my precious doll, Debbie, also known as Jersey Girl. And I was so amused when I opened the envelope and saw this lovely card with a hummingbird on it. And it says, "Thinking of you." Debbie, that is so sweet. Now, Debbie gave me two lovely cards last month, along with an amazing bundle of treasures. And thank you, Debbie, for just encouraging me on my recovery. And she says that this package has some gifts from her and some items that she purchased from Rich Miniatures that didn't work in her doll houses. And she also said there's a gift inside here directly from Richard to me. And I will leave a link in the description for Rich's channel and his store. So first off, we have here 2 packs of popsicle sticks, which always come in handy for floors and so many other things. Oh my goodness, wait, they're actually 4 packs. That should keep me going for a while. Okay, so let me set these aside and see what else is in here. And dolls, this is always so funny to me because she wraps each individual package. And the reason why it's so funny and it's so precious because it reminds me of my daddy. When he wrapped packages for Christmas, he wrapped every tiny little thing. And then it's so really cute because it appears to be wrapped in Christmas paper as well. Oh wow, this is really cute. It's a little glass bottle with a cork, and the little bag says, "Believe in your dreams." And the little book says, "Magical Unicorn and Friends." That's hilarious. And look, this next package has what I call big money. That's perfect because I'm going to need to make more wallets. And look at this. Oh, some nice embroidery thread. I definitely need that. I've never done embroidery, but I was thinking about trying it on some items, so that was right on time. Oh, dolls, look at this. This is some cute little sets of pillows. Debbie, did you make these? These are so cute. I love this little navy blue print. I love that they're nice and puffy and a really good size. And look at these cute little striped ones. Look at that. All these pillows are right on time, especially with all the new beds. It's like you dolls got together and planned this. This looks like a little bundle of blankets and things, some linen. Oh wow, not only is it blankets, but it looks like it's a little set of curtains. Oh, and look, dolls, she gave me another rug. And I really like the colors and the playful print on it. All it needs is a little fringe and it'll be perfect in the little girl's room. And look at this lovely baby blanket. I really love the scalloped edge and the colors are so beautiful. I gotta make sure I separate that and put it among the baby's things. This is so great. It's another set of table and chairs for the children. Claire gave me some and now I have 2 sets. And you dolls already know I'm gonna stain and age them. Oh my goodness, and now I've come to a package that has a separate label on it. I think that might be from Richard, but I know this one is from Debbie because it's wrapped in the same wrapping paper as the other items. So I'll go ahead and open this one first. Oh my goodness, Debbie, it's a door. It's a door. Ah. Yes, yes, yes. Baseboards, doors, windows, shingles, they're always welcome. And this is a nice sturdy 4-panel door. It has the frame already around it and the molding on one side. So that is perfect. So I was about to open the little blue package with the label, but I realized there's another box inside with that same green wrapper on it. So I'm going to open it first. It's a little bride, dolls. It's a little bride. She's already dressed and ready to go. Let me get her out of the box so I can really look at her. I mean, look at her lovely dress, her veil. I just love the way her hair is. Oh my goodness, she's just adorable. That is really an interesting technique for the hairstyle. She has a kind face. Jersey girl, thank you for this lovely bride, and I'll make sure I get her a husband if I have to create him myself. So let me go ahead and open this next package before I start playing with the bride. Now this looks like a piece of furniture. Jersey girl, what did you do? I can't believe if this is what I think it is. Oh my goodness. I almost feel nervous because I can hardly believe if it's what I think it is. Oh my goodness. Jersey girl, what did you do? Dolls, it's a china cabinet. It's a brand new china cabinet. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, dolls, I'm just trying to make you understand almost everything I have in my dollhouse is secondhand, and especially something like this for it to be brand new like this. Debbie, this is beautiful. This is really so beautiful. I mean, I was already having fun, but now you've got me all shaken up. Well, Debbie, rest assured, I won't be aging or distressing this. I'm going to keep it just as beautiful as it is today. And it's like I said a little earlier, dolls, it really touches me because, like I said, nobody has to think of you or give you anything. And when somebody is so kind and so generous, it just almost leaves you speechless. Thank you so much, Debbie. I'll always cherish this. And every time I look at it, I'll remember this moment. Okay, let me stop sitting here staring at it and open up this last package. So at this point, I'm already overwhelmed and excited, and now I'm going to open the package from Richard. So Richard is the one who gave me the lovely bonnets in a previous video, and I will leave a link in the description. I'm actually a little bit nervous opening this, but let me go ahead and jump in. And I must say, I like the tones in this wrapping paper. I may have to salvage it. Okay, let me stay focused. And it's so much fun going through all these layers of wrapping paper and tissue paper and tape because it really builds the anticipation. And yes, based on the handwriting, I was correct. This is the package that's from Richard. I can't get over how Debbie is shopping, but I end up getting a gift from the vendor. This is such an amazing miniature community. Oh my goodness, dolls, look at this. It's a tiny swatch book. This is perfect for the dress shop so the ladies can choose their fabric before they order their dresses. Little accessories like this will have business booming. Oh, and look, it's some tiny white bunca. This will come in really handy while I'm doing the linen. It's great for pillows and bedspreads and things. It's even good for finishing upholstered items. No way. Oh my goodness, I can hardly believe this. I've been searching all over online trying to find this. It's the teeny fine trim that was on the bonnets. I stared and stared at that trim on those bonnets thinking, oh my goodness, it's so tiny. Where did they get this from? Okay, dolls, I need to take a moment of silence because not only did he send me a substantial amount of the cream, but also in the white. Oh, wait, there's a little tiny wooden hat stand. That's so cute. Dolls, I can't explain to you how excited I am because I've been looking for that tiny trim forever. Richard, I don't even know what to say. You even sent it in the gold and the green. All I can think of right now is all the amazing things I can make with this perfectly tiny little trim. And it's really great with your fabric projects when the trim and lace are fine and small. It makes things so much more in scale. And look at this lovely soft blue hat. It's fancy and sophisticated at the same time. Another lovely item for my dress shop. Richard, this is so sweet of you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm sitting here. At first I was thinking that I was done, but I realized there's something else in the box. And these are the type of moments that make me a little bit nervous because really incredible things come in tiny packages. So I can't imagine what this would be. Okay, let me be careful. I think I'm going to have to cut this with the scissors. But let me be very careful because I don't want to damage anything. It's more sunflowers. It must be sunflower season because I received 2 sunflower arrangements in my last unboxing. All these sunflowers are giving me ideas for my doll stories. Richard, thank you so much. And thank you to everyone. This has just been amazing. At this point, you dolls are just spoiling me. So as I sort through things and before I start reading the cards and crying all over again, let me give you a quick review. So if you enjoyed this video today, I sure would like to know what you like the most in the comments. And if you want to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe. And always look for me on Mondays after 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. As usual, I love sharing the joy of miniatures with you dolls. And I'm looking forward to seeing you again next time right here on Little Gretchen's Workshop. Bye-bye now, dolls.